Hi, my name is Ryan.DeAngelis here at the Guaranty RV Supercenter in Junction City, Oregon. I got a cool little bunkhouse here. If you want something that's not really long but super light and has the capacity to sleep, a couple extra people in the back, this is a really good way to go. So you've got, it weighs about 3,400 pounds, it's only 19 feet. So it's a Coachmen Apex 193 BHS. So it's a bunkhouse with a slide. Up front, this is something they changed just recently on the Apexes. They put a little bit more of a fiberglass cap up on the front, and you have a nice big window here. So this is nice tinted glass. It's not going to chip or break, but it doesn't open, so it's not going to leak or anything like that. But it kind of makes it so it lets a lot more natural light on the inside. It makes it look a little bigger in there. Power awning on the outside. So you got an LED light strip in that awning as well. You got solar prep out here too, so you can plug a solar panel into this unit, but a huge pass-through for a smaller trailer. It's a big area, but it's also a pretty big opening, so you can kind of get some of your bigger stuff in there. On the inside, you got your master bed up front, and there's your front window there, and you got two windows on the side, so you got three nice windows right up front. A lot of overhead storage. These have a little bit of an arch roof in them too, so they have vacuum bonded roofs. Not much does that. Even your bigger, more expensive trailers don't do that. So you got a nice dinette set up here, and there's storage underneath it as well. Seamless countertops in all your Coachmen products. Nice kitchen area here with a split sink. Got your microwave below, but they didn't skimp out and give you a small little fridge. You got a nice big two-door fridge. Then on the back side, you got two extra beds back here. So you got two bunks there. There's some outside storage on the outside below that bottom bunk. So two extra beds there, and the dinette breaks into a bed too if you need another one. Good amount of counter space for a small trailer. You got a separate toilet and bathroom. Your sink's not on, you don't have to use the kitchen sink to wash your hands. And you have a good storage compartment in there as well for towels and different stuff like that. Some overhead storage here. These have something in the wall called Asdel. So where a lot of companies would use wood or some cheaper materials there and strip certain things out and put cheap stuff in there to cut weight on these things to make them lighter, they use something called Asdel, which is man-made. It's non-porous. It can't take in any moisture or water ever. It weighs half as much as wood does. It insulates 3 times better, and it's twice as strong. So they kind of get away with something. Wood is a good insulator. It insulates better than wood, but it doesn't weigh so much. That combined with your aluminum frame makes this a very light unit. That's why they're able to get by with 3,400 pounds with a big slide, a full 3-foot slide in here too. They're similar construction to the Lances, but this thing isn't 40 grand like a Lance would be for something this size. So follow me, I'll show you some stuff on the outside. You got a full-size spare on the back. So this is a smaller trailer, but you got 2 stabilizer jacks in the rear, 2 also up in the front. You can crank them down with the tool, or you can do the cordless drill thing and just zip them up and down. On this side, you got your nice big slide here. That's what makes it feel so open in there. It's the Schwintek system. That's probably the most reliable slide system. That's what all the high-end stuff does on motorhomes and fifth wheels as well. And then you have your additional outdoor storage here that goes underneath the bunk. All these doors are on magnetic catches, so you don't have to flip the plastic clip every time you want to hold it up. Black tank flush on this, so you can drain out your waste tanks and then hook a freshwater hose and blast fresh water through all your lines and your tanks to flush it all out. Outdoor shower with hot and cold water. Cable satellite hookups on that side. And here's your dump station right there. It's easy to get to. It's not tucked under anything. You just pull your gray, you pull your black, and you're done. I got a lot of other stuff that's similar to this. I have something like this that's got a bigger bathroom in the back. It's just not a bunkhouse, but otherwise it's the same as this with a little bit bigger of a bed and a whole bunch of other stuff I'd like to show you. Shoot me a call when you get a chance. My number is 541-525-4001. My name is Ryan.DeAngelis here at the Guaranty RV Supercenter. Talk to you soon. Thanks.